Advanced troubleshooting, use with caution. Clear Roblox app data, Android, go to Settings, Apps greater than Roblox, Storage and clear storage. This will erase app data, including login information. Reinstall the app and attempt verification again. Note: this might require re-entering your login credentials, reset network settings, Android, iOS. This can resolve network-related issues that might be causing verification problems. However, it will also reset your Wi-Fi passwords and other network settings. Be prepared to re-enter them. Note: instructions for resetting network settings differ slightly between Android and iOS. Search online for specific steps for your device. Important reminders: avoid third-party verification tools. Don't use unofficial tools or websites claiming to bypass Roblox's verification. These can be scams or compromise your account security. Wait for the timer. Respect the "try again in a few minutes" message. Repeated attempts can further lock your account. Final note: if none of these solutions work, it's best to wait for a longer period, potentially 24 hours or more, and try verifying your phone number again. Additionally, consider contacting your phone carrier to see if there are any restrictions on receiving verification texts.